We will now do a shipment on a sales order. So we go to the sales order tab, or SO, and we're going to work on what we were working on before for Adams West End. And you find it through your list. You can sort, you can filter. So if you know the PO number, you got the order number, because you've probably got something telling you what you're working from. A number of different ways that you handle that, but then you can just search for, say, the order number and double click to open it. As it opens here, you can verify the information here again, that these are the products that you were looking for. This is the right customer, the customer PO number, all of that is here. And so to ship, you just go to the shipping tab. And when you go to ship, we're going to hit add new. It'll be a new shipment. You can see it filled in the ship via from the order. You can put in the tracking number, whatever. The date shipped, so if it was shipped today, typically, but if you shipped it yesterday, you can put that into, so if you did it at the end of the day and you just didn't fill it out here yet, you could do that. Down here, you fill in how many of each was shipped. This tan tab is a editable field, so you can see that they've ordered one of these and two of these. We can put them in as complete here, or we can put them as partial. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in as one complete and one partial. And then we can save this by hitting F9 or going to Record Save, and that'll do it as well. So I'm going to hit F9. That'll close this and save it. And when it does that, it will create a shipping form for review. It'll deplete these from the inventory, so it'll take one of each of these out of the overall inventory and pass this tracking number and information, so it'll all go over to the actual shipment, which will go with the invoice. So that returns us back here, and I refresh, I can see my shipment is here, and so I can just go ahead and close this F9 or hit X to close. From here I can go to the orders or the shipped orders tab. Might need to refresh, and I will see the one that I just did. And so this would be the person who's in charge of making sure that the invoice and everything is correct, but they can see it right here and they'll be able to work on that, which we'll cover in another video.